हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे आप सब लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आर्यंस एजुकेशन हब। तो आज हम देखने वाले इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द इन्वेंशन ऑफ अबैकस। द अबैकस वाज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड बाय द चाइनीज in 3000 BC. It was initially made of wood and beads sliding over wires. The main use of abacus when it was discovered for a simple calculation or keeping count of numbers. There are different versions of abacus such as Egyptian, Persian, Greek, Roman, Indian, Japanese, Native American, etc. The person who uses abacus is known as abacist. Abacus also has a different form which is called a Cranmer abacus, named after its inventor Tim Cranmer. It is used by the individuals who are blind. Another form of abacus is called the binary abacus, which is mainly used to explain how numbers are manipulated by computers. In spite of many other tools and toys, abacus is still parents and elementary schools' first choice when it comes to teaching numbers for kids in preschool.